Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bechamel sauce. So easy and so delicious and very versatile. First, we're going to infuse our milk. Here I've got 500 milliliters of milk and I'm going to add an onion. Place them both in there. And add a bay leaf to that with some thyme. There. And crush a clove of garlic. Totally optional, but I just love the taste of garlic. Now we're going to infuse this milk, gently bring it to the boil over low heat. This will give the bechamel a lot more depth and flavour and make it taste incredible. Then take off the heat, place the lid on it to let it infuse until lukewarm. Then pass it through a sieve. That's something else, guys. That is something else. Smell is outstanding. Now guys, we're going to make a roux. All it is equal amounts of butter and flour. It's a classic way to thicken a sauce. So we're going to heat the butter up until it's completely melted. Then turn the heat down and add in the flour and mix to form a smooth paste. Once the flour is incorporated and it's nice and smooth, turn the heat up to medium and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until it starts to bubble. The secret to making a nice silky smooth bechamel is add the milk in stages. Make sure the milk is completely incorporated before adding any more. By doing it this way will ensure you create a nice smooth sauce and there will be no lumps at all, which is exactly what we want. Once you've incorporated all the milk, turn the heat up to medium-high heat and cook for 1 to 2 minutes to thicken until it can coat the back of a spoon. Beautiful. Now season, bit of salt, bit of black pepper. You can use white if you prefer. Now add a little bit of fresh nutmeg. In my opinion, this really brings the flavour out of the sauce. It adds to the sauce wonderfully. Wonderful. Now, if you added some finely grated cheese to this, it would be called a Mornay sauce, which goes great with Croque Monsieur, Croque Madame, which is a fried egg on top. It goes in lasagnas, macaroni and cheese, and there's so much more a Mornay sauce goes in. I tend to pass my sauce through a sieve to make sure there's no lumps. The way to store the sauce correctly is to place a sheet of cling film over the top of the sauce, making sure the cling film and the sauce make contact to ensure you don't create skin. Guys, this can last in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days, but I recommend using it as soon as possible. I really hope you enjoyed my take on a bechamel sauce and found it helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and DM me if you get anything in particular you'd love to see, because I'm up for anything. I'll help you guys out, whatever it is. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Take care. I'll see you guys next week with another video.